Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on Nintendo Switch. First, you will want to acquire the game digitally from the Nintendo eShop. Once downloaded, launch it and take a moment to explore the control scheme. You can customize button layouts and adjust sensitivity in the options menu. Setting your preferred brightness and audio levels early on will greatly enhance your immersive experience as you begin your adventure. Combat in Resident Evil 4 is intense, so practice aiming carefully. The right stick controls your aim, and the R button fires your weapon. Don't forget your knife. It's excellent for saving ammunition on weaker enemies or breaking open boxes for items. Always keep an eye on your attaché case inventory. Organizing items wisely is crucial for carrying enough supplies and ammunition. Resource management is key to survival. You'll frequently encounter the merchant, who offers weapon upgrades, new firearms, and sells valuable items. Prioritize upgrading your most used weapons to boost their damage output and ammunition capacity. Also, remember to combine green, red, and yellow herbs to create powerful healing concoctions, ensuring Leon stays in top fighting condition throughout his perilous mission. To truly excel, always aim for headshots. They are incredibly effective and conserve your precious ammunition. Pay close attention to enemy movements and attack tells. Learning their patterns will allow you to dodge incoming attacks and counter more efficiently. Finally, explore every nook and cranny of the environments. Hidden treasures and valuable resources are often tucked away, providing essential upgrades and currency for your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.